I think one of the most important things for you to watch are just short webinars, okay, about Save Club. Because the more you just can soak in, okay, here is the founder, Charles, or myself, or someone else maybe you like on YouTube, you can sit back and just discuss it, except not for realsy, because I'm recording this right now and uploading it. But if I do a live Zoom, it's fun to go back and forth. People usually have questions about marketing, and that's okay. And with the webinar that I want you to watch, I've recorded it. It's 35 minutes, and I have a couple other short videos that are about 5, 6, 7 minutes that explain the pre-launch. What are the services? What does the website look like? If you're in LiveGood, you're going to find it very similar because it's the same software, same credit card processing. It's just different colors and different product and services. But if you've been in LiveGood, I think you're going to really like this opportunity, okay? So what I'm going to do is make this video short. I'm going to have a link right below this video of a 35-minute webinar that's produced by Charles, the founder. Okay, please watch it. And then what I want you to do, if you don't mind, I'm going to show you my link. I want you to go to ilovesaveclub.com. ilovesaveclub.com. Okay, go there. And this is what the page looks like. I want you to watch this short little YouTube video. All right, Charles tells you more about Save Club. Go ahead and put your information here, name, email, phone. You can even put a fake number, I don't care. But go ahead and just lock in. Or if you want to join, just open up your Save Club email and you can join there. But at least just pre-enroll, guys. Okay? It's fast right now. It's fast and furious. I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to lie. It is April 24th right now. The next 30 to 45 days, it's haul-ass city in the fast lane. The biggest downlines, and in my opinion, the best amounts of chunks of money are going to be with people that are signing up right now. There's a lot of leaders that are in LiveGood that are really good at what they do. All right. And they're going to do very well. And I know I'm going to do very well. And I want you to get in my group. Okay. I'm going to always recommend webinars to watch. I'm going to show you business cards, the tactics I do, how to email properly without screwing up policies with this company, Save Club and whatnot. Okay. But you got to take a little action like Tony Robbins. All right. That little guy that 7 foot tall that walks barefoot in that fire pit. Remember Tony Robbins back in the day on late night TV? But anyway, if I can show you my card just one more time, sometimes it's easier just to visualize. ilovesaveclub.com. Okay, click it, and that's it. Watch the video, go to the 35-minute webinar, and it's more than enough information where you can make a decision, are you in or out, okay? All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for your time. All right, this is a short video for me. 3 minutes, not bad. Okay, have a good day. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you have a good day. Thanks, guys. Bye.